This is how to change the key fob battery on your Honda 2-button key. Fits the Jazz Civic etc, so possibly it's CR-V. You will need a CR1616 battery, a really small Phillips screwdriver, and probably a good nail or a very small flat blade screwdriver. So on the back of the key, undo the little tiny Phillips screw. I'm going to separate the front from the back. There's a little tab there, you can just see it. And then I'll take out the internals. Now there's another tab just here. That's where you want your nail. Just get under that. And separate the top from the bottom, exposing the battery. Flick the battery out. Get your new battery, slot it in, click, and then put that back in the top tab, click it into the bottom, and just literally rebuild the key. And that's it, you're all done. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.